This is what I go through. You know, things are just not organized and I just want to get organized. So. Hey guys, what's up? So I am driving to the Dollar Tree and I'm about to do a Dollar Tree organizational haul. So I will be looking for some bins. I'm on a budget. It's holiday. It's around the holidays right now and I don't want to spend too much money. So I am going to go into the Dollar Tree and see what I can find to organize my small bathroom closet. Okay, so I've made it back from the Dollar Tree and I've purchased a few things to organize the closet. So I decided to deal with like blacks, browns, and whites, try to keep it coordinated. So I wanted to go with these here. To me, I just think they look a little bit more professional. So I bought some large bins and this is what they look like. I have a paper towel in here. And I'm going to organize my towels and things with that. And these are all the bins. I'm not sure. There's probably about 20 of them here. These were all $1. These are the mediums. And these are the large. And this is amazing. They're $1. And they're pretty sturdy. I mean, I've purchased some from Amazon and I've seen other people say that they were a little flimsy, but to me I think they're a great deal for $1. This is a nice size one as well. And then I just added some extra like little loofahs to put inside and some toothbrushes in case we have guests. Right, but this is my closet in my master bathroom, and as you can see, this is no joke. This video is not sponsored. This is the real deal here. This is what I go through when I'm trying to find products or a towel, or you know, things are just not organized and I just want to get organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of this stuff out and start organizing it. This is what we're working with. Look at how dirty. I'm gonna have to wipe this down really good and sweep and clean it. So let me go get my Clorox. So this is what we are working with. So now the floor down there is clean and the closet is fairly clean and ready to be. I went ahead and just organized, threw away things that I didn't need, put them in the bins, and I went ahead and put everything in the closet. And I must say I am completely pleased with the outcome. I spent $19 for these bins. I used 19 different bins. And I went ahead and kind of put some towels and stuff up at the top. And I just tried to keep it uniform. The bins over to the right and the plastics over to the left, and then the others in the middle. And I think for $1, I don't think that the bins are that flimsy. I think they are awesome. You cannot beat it. They have brown, dark gray, and if you want to go online, you can order in bulk and get more things at once. So, and then there's way down to the bottom, you can see one bin down there, and I still have room for other things that I can put in there. So, done with this video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye.